So borders is nothing but border is a property to allows to specify how the border is set for the box, and border is like a box representation of an element. So here there are nearly three properties of a border you can change of the element. So nearly we can use this three property to change the element here. So first property is border color. Border color. So here border color is a property. It specifies that color of a border. It will gives the color for the border, and we have this border property. Sorry, border style. So border style is a property which makes that, so whether the border should be which style you want. Either you want solid, either you want dashed, either you want line, either you want double, either you want so many possible values that you can give in this border style. And we have this border width. So next property we have this border width. So border width is a property which allows you specifies the width of the border. It will specifies the width of the border. We can use this. So these are the border properties available in the CSS. So we'll explain each and every one. So coming to this border color property, coming to the border color property, I take border color property. For this border color property, in this border color property also again divided into so four types. That is, so this border color property allows to change the color of the border surrounding of an element. So border color property is allows you to change the color of a border surrounding of an element. Surrounding of a element. So in this border property, again they divided into four types of properties there. So what are the properties we have? See here we have border bottom color, border bottom color, border top color, border left color, and border right color. Right color. So these are the properties. So border bottom color, border top color, border left color, and border right color. So border bottom color changes the bottom of the border, and border top color changes the top of the border, and top border it will change the color. The left border it will change the color, and the right border it will change the color itself. So next coming to border style property. Border style property. So for this border style property, again they divided into four types. So border style property is nothing but we can apply styles for your, we can apply styles for the border, like which style you want. Like we have none, no border, solid, single, solid line, dotted, dashed, groove, double, ridge, inside, out, hidden. So like this, there's so many values available in this border style property. So in this style property we have, so you can individually change the style of this anything you want. So individually nothing but border bottom style or a bottom style, border top style, like this. So these are the four values. I don't want to write here. So border bottom style, border top style, border left style, border right style. And coming to here, next we have border width property. So in the border width property also having these three types, not three, it is also having these four types. So border width is a property allows you to set the width of a element, and the value of this property should be either in the pixels, either in the centimeters, either in the picos, either in the points, whatever it is. See here, next we have this border width. So border width property. So in this border width property we have border bottom width, border bottom width, and border top width. Like this we can write the properties, and here also having these four properties. Next we have shorthand property. Shorthand property. Shorthand properties like you directly can write this border 4 pixels solid red. This says that this 4 pixel stands for border width, border style, border color. These combined values we can take the shorthand properties like border, and I'll show the example for this border. So later we just discussed about outline properties. So in this border we have border radius. Now, so these are the border properties available in the CSS. The border radius that comes under this most advanced concept in the CSS. Advanced concepts like border radius. In this border radius, again we have some values here, like we can create different shapes. I'll explain at the time of advanced CSS. Right now I'll show the example for each and every border there. I'll go to this Visual Studio and open this here. Just create a new program. Click on this Control N. Now just save the file with borders. Save the file with borders.html. Now click on this enter. Now I can change this file to the borders. Now coming to here, so I take the paragraph. For the paragraph I'll just write 3. Now for this one I need to apply the border. Take the style tag. For the style tag we can write for the paragraph border width 5 pixels, border style we can write solid, and we just write the border color. We write this blue color. Now I'll just go to this one. Click on this default browser. Now we'll place this border there. Now for this paragraph I'll just apply this padding. I'll take the padding 30 pixels and I'll change this text. Change the text to font size, and I'll just make it to 30 pixels here. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Now look at this one. So we place the border there. Place the border. For this paragraph. Look at this one. We take border width, border style, border color, padding, and font size. So instead of taking these three properties, we can also write this shorthand property. We can write border 5 pixels, solid blue color. Now I'll just make it into this comments. This is nothing but multiple line comments. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Nothing has changed here. So instead of taking these 3 lines, we just provide this shorthand property. So that is shorthand property of this border. So I make this one as a comments. Now, so here I discussed about this border style, solid. So here I'll show this example, like how many borders we have. I'll take there P. For this paragraph, I'll take the class. For this class, I'll provide there dash. Now here take dashed. I'll just write border width 6 pixels and border style dashed and color, sorry, border color red. And I'll take this padding 40 pixels and font size 35 pixels. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Now look at this one. See here for this dashed, I'll just apply some text, border style property, border style. Border style property. Go to this one, just reload this page. Now we have this border style property. Just go to this. See, this is one style. This is dashed. So dashed we have, and if you don't want this dash, like you can write dotted. If you write this dotted, go to this browser, reload this page. Now we have this dotted border. Next we have dotted, and here we have double. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. So we have this double line border, and if you want this 3D effect, just write groove there. Just increase this border width to 15 pixels or 16 pixels. Now go to there, just reload this page. Now look at this one. So we just apply this border there, and for this one we have this. If you write this border style none, nothing will happen. Go to this browser, reload this page. So nothing will happen here, and I'll just change this one to line note, double dash dotted groove inset. Now reload this page, so it will give this inset border, and go to this, just try to green color, green. Now go to this one, reload this page. Now look at this one. So we place the border like this. So we have the border styles, different styles is there that we can apply. So we can apply this border on solid, dotted, dash, double, groove, and we have ridges there. I'll just explain this ridge here, inset, and also ridges. ridge. Go to this one, reload this page. Now look at this one. So like this, we just apply the border for this one, and we have hidden is there, none, solid, like this. So we have different borders. And next I'll take one more there. So here I'll just take the paragraph. Now multiple border there. For this multiple border, so I'll just take here. See, look at this one. So I take go to this down, take a class name, take the class as a multiple, just provide this class, and I'll take multiple there. For this multiple, I'll just provide multiple. For this multiple, border width 10 pixels, border style solid, border style solid, and I take the border color green, red, yellow, blue. Now I'll just copy this one, copy this padding and the font size. We paste it there. Now go to this browser, reload this page. Dash it, group, double. Now 5 pixels, 7 pixels, 6 pixels. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. White water plan. Okay, we'll do one thing. So I'll take border top color red, border bottom green. Now here I'll take border top width I need 10 pixels. I'll provide border bottom width like I'll provide this 16 pixels, and border bottom style, I need dashed, and I'll take this border top style, I can provide double, and I'll just provide a group. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Now look at this one. So we just apply border, top as a group, bottom as a dashed line, and this is one type. So I'll just remove this one. Now look at this one. For this multiple purpose, I'll take this border width. I'll provide 10 pixels, 15 pixels, 20 pixels, 20 pixels, and 5 pixels. I take border color red, green, yellow, blue color, and I'll just provide border style, dashed, dotted, ridge, double here. Now let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this one. So we just apply multiple borders, like top different style, left different style, and bottom different style, and right also different style. So like this we can apply multiple borders, and this is one type. Next, so here we just apply multiple borders. Like I'll take one more paragraph. So for this one, just write the class sample. For this sample one, I'll take so for this text, I take this sample. For this sample, I'll take here, see, border 5 pixels, solid red here, 5 pixels, solid red. I'll just take border bottom red. So I'll make one thing, I'll remove this border here. I'll take border bottom 10 pixels, solid blue. I'll make border bottom 10 pixels, solid blue. So for this sample, Here I'll just make a font size 35 pixels, and font size and the color I make it to blue color. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this one. So we place this blue border below this one. So this is a border bottom, padding 20 pixels. Now here instead of bottom, I'll take top. I'll take the top there. Now go to this browser, reload this page. Now we have this top 20 pixels, top border, and go to this one. So I'll make it to left, border left 10 pixels, solid blue. Go to this browser, reload this page. Now we place this border the left side. Now so we can take this one to right side, go to this browser, reload this page. So we place this right side. So like this border properties will work in the CSS. And we have one more concept like border radius. So you know how to take buttons, right? So here I take the button, and for this button I'll check the class. I'll provide orange button. I take this orange BTN, and here I'll just write explore more. Now I take the class name orange BTN. So for this orange BTN, I'll provide there. I'll take the padding like 10 pixels, and I'll just provide 30 pixels or 35 pixels. Now here border none, or if you want you can give this 3 pixels solid red there, and background color I'll just write crimson, and coming to here I'll place this color white, and for this one outline none. I'll make this outline as a none here, and I just apply this color, apply this background color, border, padding, and just apply this font size. I'll make 20 pixels. Now go to this browser, just reload this page. Now I'll place this button there, button having a red color border. Now look at this one. So button having this red color border, and we created the button there. So for this button, see here I'll just commented this one. Now go to there, just reload this page. Now we place this button there. Now we place the button for this button. So we can also write I'll take the background. So we have, in order to make the transparent, we have this transparent here, transparent button, and make it to black color. Now go to this one, reload this page. Now I'll place this button there. Now look at this one. See here, if you want to place this rounded corners, so have you seen this one in this Photoshop, right? So here how to make this rounded corners. So just because you can take this border radius here. I'll just take, suppose you take this 10 pixels border radius. So border radius, if you take the 10 pixels. So it will take here, see, it will take this left corner and right top corner, right bottom corner, and left bottom corner, and left top corner. So it will make the radius. Now look at this one. Now go to this top. Now look at this having. So it will make the rounded rectangle. See, using this border radius. Now if you want to make this one, if you want to make this to 300, now go to this one, just reload this page. Now look at this one. So we place this rounded corners. So rounded rectangle. So here, instead of taking this transparent, so I'll just uncheck this one. Now go to there, just reload this page. Now look at this one. So we place the button. We place the button there. I'll make it to white. Right. So using this border radius, we can place this one. Now look at this one. And here, I'll just close this one. Enter. I just delete this one. Go to this browser, reload this page. Now look at this one. So we place the button there, and we place this border radius. So next, I'll just apply. I'll take a div there. So div, I'll just apply class. This is green circle. So how to make the circles? So it is very easy. See, we have the class green circle. So for this green circle, I need to write the CSS. Take this green circle, and green. Now here, so for this one, I'll take width I'll take 150, height 150, and apply this background color. Okay? Background color, I'll just apply green color there. And here, look at this one. We created this background color, height and width for this div. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Now I'll place this one here. Now I'll place the div there. So for this div, we need to make it as a circle. I'll make this margin 20 pixels. Now go to this browser, reload this page. Now I'll make this 20 pixels gap here. Now look at this one. So here, I'll just take this border radius. Take the border radius. I'll provide 52%, 50% or 52%. Now look at this one. Look at this div having. Just make it a circle there. So using the border radius, we can make the circles. Okay. So in the most advanced concept, I'll explain different shapes using this border properties. So that is the use of this border properties. So here, if you want, you can apply this border also. Suppose if you want to apply this border 10 pixels, solid yellow. Now go to this browser, reload this page. Now I'll place this yellow border around the div there. So like this, we can make this one.